First of all, I would like to greet the Reverend Dr. William C., your founding president and CEO. Let's give him a big round of applause, of the United Christian Academy, and also the Reverend James C., the school head. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. May I also greet my colleagues in the government service. First, my colleague in the House of Representatives, the Congressman of the 1st District of Parañaque, Edwin Olivares. The barangay captain of the barangay where your school is located in 4th State, Barangay San Antonio, Barangay Captain Paul Casale. Our guest councilors are here, Councilor Eric Olivares of the 1st District and Councilor Bong Benson of the 2nd District. The other dignitaries who are here, the parents, and of course our scholars. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. First of all, I would like to congratulate the United Christian Academy for being true to its mission and for extending this vision of hope for everybody. You know, right now, one of the best things that your school can gift you is to give you the gift of hope, because that is exactly what the world needs, what everybody needs. Hope, which is a very scarce commodity right now, considering the many problems that not only this country and the whole world are facing. Hope is a very important commodity, and I would like to congratulate the United Christian Academy, especially the leaders, for making this one of the fundamental missions of the Academy. Congratulations po sa inyo, Dr. William C., and congratulations kay Reverend James C. I also would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the scholars. Binabati ko po kayo sapagkat napakaganda ng inyong programa. 100 scholars. Scholars who come from families who otherwise would not be able to afford a college education. Napakalaking bagay po ito. And I can relate with this feeling sometimes of hopelessness of some people who are right now wondering whether they can finish their college education or not. Sapagkat alam nyo, naalala ko po, I remember my own situation. I am like many of these scholars. My parents were just ordinary school teachers, public school teachers in the province where I came from Romblon. They came to Metro Manila and became just ordinary government workers. When I graduated from high school, I wasn't sure whether I would be able to get a college education, because it was very clear from my parents that it was going to be very difficult for them to afford a good college education for me. But very fortunately, like the scholars who are here, I was able to win a government scholarship, and that was the reason why I was able to finance myself through my education in the University of the Philippines. But not only that, hindi po kasi yung scholarship lamang, I had to fend for my own in order to finance my daily expenses, going back and forth to college, buying expensive books and other necessities. So I had to work myself to college. Alam nyo, ako po'y nagtrabaho bilang isang food salesman, retail salesman na naglalakad halos araw-araw para magbenta ng mga appliances para makatulong sa aking edukasyon. Kaya for those who are getting the scholarship and are also wondering how you can supplement the scholarship that the United Christian Academy is giving to you, I would like to give the challenge. Pwede pa rin na matatagan yan sa pamamagitan ng pagsusumikap at paghahanap ng trabaho on the side, being a part-time working student para mairaos nyo ang inyong mga pangangailangan. Again, I was very fortunate that in addition to the scholarship that I got from the government in the University of the Philippines, I got another scholarship, and this time it was a scholarship to one of the best academies families and schools in the United States. And this is the United States Naval Academy at Annapolis, one of the top 10 institutions in the U.S. as far as mathematics and engineering were concerned. Kaya sinuwerte po ako, nagkaroon ng scholarship sa gobyerno dito sa Pilipinas, nagkaroon ng scholarship doon sa Estados Unidos, at yan ang dahilan kung bakit ako ngayon ay nakaharap sa inyo. If not for those scholarships, I probably would not have finished my college education and I would not be here standing before you. Kaya let that be an inspiration to all of you na there should be that feeling of hope instead of a feeling of hopelessness just because of financial scarcity. Huwag hayaan na ang kahirapan ay maging malakit sa inyong magagandang mga pangarap. At mabuti na lamang nandito po ang United Christian Academy. Palakpakan natin muli ang United Christian Academy. I am also in receipt of this letter from the Reverend James C. with regard to partnership with TESDA. I would like to tell you that since I became a congressman again in 2004, taon-taon po ay meron po ako mga scholars from TESDA. Kaya siguro we can have this partnership. Ang average cost ng scholarships at TESDA, I made a little computation, is about 11,000 pesos. And just for that small amount, one can change already the future of a person, because that person, an able-bodied young Filipino and Filipina, can all of a sudden become marketable, not only in the Philippines but also worldwide, in order to help not only the needs of our family but also the needs of our country. Kaya dito po tayo ay magkasama. Pinapangako ko po na pag meron po mag-apply sa TESDA and also with regard to the United Christian Academy, if there's anything that you are offering, programs that would need accreditation with TESDA, I have a very good working relationship with the Director General of TESDA, Joel Villanueva, who was my colleague for several terms in the House of Representatives. Kaya Mr. C, Dr. C, makakaasa po kayo na ang inyong congressman sa 2nd District of Parañaque, where your school is located, where I was once your commencement speaker, and this was in 2005, you can be assured that I will continue and I will be your ally and I will be your partner in your vision of hope for the students and for the entire country. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Congratulations again.
Honorable Royal Escolas would like to request you to join us here and receive the Certificate of Appreciation from United Christian Academy. Thank you once again.